at least this fitted goes with my outfits. My headband and my jacket. Ooh. Hello guys and welcome back. So I just got back from the supermarket and went for another stocking up. Yeah, the ones I've been doing before, they were nothing compared to this one, because at the moment it seems we are going to be on real lockdown. So to be on the safe side, I went to like three supermarket now, and the butchery, to get us prepared for the rainy day. So I'm just going to show you a brief video of the stuff I got. They were quite a lot, my biggest shopping ever. They are all packed in the bag. I haven't shown you one. These are the stuff we got. There are a lot of them. You cannot imagine. A lot of tissue, potatoes, meat to put in the freezer, yam, a lot of flour, see my bag, a lot of stuff. See the second bag, guys. So see all the stuff I have to stock up on. Guys, my biggest buy ever. We spent about €240 stocking up. Bought meat though, because with the butchery at the supermarket, I think we spent €169. It's about 240. Yeah.